Hello folks, welcoming you all to a very new episode from Fortune Reviews, and this time around we have bought the new Ertiga with us. This model was launched recently in the segment where it has a new competitor, the new Mahindra Marazzo. Talking of the Marazzo, we have done even a detailed discussion about the Marazzo, and link for that will be given in the description box below. So let's find out. As usual, let's begin with the exteriors first. This car 2018 Ertiga over the exterior is completely different compared to its predecessor. Where its predecessor used to share its platform with the Swift family, this car has a unique identity of its own.
For instance, it comes with elongated headlamps with projector elements, a sporty looking bumper, sharp character lines on the side profile and a stout looking rear end. In addition to this, the MPV also comes with very angular tail lamp design which appears very premium and a class above.
Where on the contrary, the older car had a curvaceous design which looked premium but is a bit dated now. While on the other hand, this car looks very premium and has sharp and angular lines all over.
Over the side, it gets these chrome door handles and the alloy wheels are kind of overdone.
So this was about the exterior. Now let's get inside and find out what are the changes on the interior. Here I am inside the cabin of the 2018 Ertiga, and everything here seems changed, but still it shares some of its components with its sibling. While the older car used to come with a single scheme color dashboard, the newer car comes with a dual tone scheme dashboard with brown and beige treatment all over, which indeed looks appealing.
As with the case with the exterior profile of the new Ertiga, the interiors stand completely revamped as well. There are no longer the exact copy of the MPV's hatchback and sedan siblings, and hence get their unique layout. Furthermore, in contrast to the water flow design of the dashboard of the older version of the MPV, the new one gets a more streamlined design which looks unique and a lot contemporary. Comparing the top spec versions, the 2018 Maruti Ertiga has got a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple's CarPlay as well.
Now as you all guys know, this 2018 Ertiga has grown in dimensions, so let's find out what the new third row of seats has to offer. Well, getting into the third row of seats is quite an easy affair. By just doing this, you can get into the third row of seats. Getting into the third row of seats was quite an easy affair, but sitting here is not. It is well suited for children's. It has bottle holders and even a charging socket as well. Well, to find out the changes under the hood, right now we are driving the 2018 new Ertiga, and let's get straight to the engines. The diesel meal is carried over from its predecessor, the 1.3 liter diesel motor, and there's a new petrol motor which churns out around 105 bhp and 138 Nm of peak torque. This engine is quite drivable compared to its predecessor, the 1.4 liter petrol engine, while the suspension setup and everything else is also changed on this car. This car now feels more stable, feels more calm and absorbs all the bumps you throw at it.
The jump in the power and torque is not very huge, as the 1.4 liter motor churns out 92 bhp and 130 Nm of peak torque, but still the 1.5 liter engine shows its character and does its job as well.
Right now I am sitting on the second row of seats in the new Ertiga, and the space is quite good. There is ample amount of legroom and the headroom is also good. The new dimensions of the car are quite evident here. The door has increased in size and so is the window space. I can even recline these seats and even take these seats front and back to give legroom for the third row passengers. The practicality in the rear seats is not compromised as well. There are bottle holders in the door pads, and even there's a charging point, and below that there's a storage cubby point where you can store your phones as well. Even there are 4 air blowers which have a good throw and would make you comfortable on those long highway trips. All in all, the rear seats of the new Ertiga are very comfortable and spacious as well. You won't feel claustrophobic at all.
And yet another area where the latest iteration of Ertiga will score better in comparison to the older model is its safety equipment list. As standard, the car is going to get dual airbags along with ABS and EBD and ISOFIX child mounts. In addition to this, the car will also have reverse parking sensors as standard. All of these features were available only on the top spec trim in the older generation model.
So as you all have seen from the pricing, yes, this car is a bit expensive, but it has to offer many more features and now is well packaged as well. So guys, if you like the video, please like it, share the video and subscribe to our channel. This is Fortune Reviews. Until next time, drive safe.